Welcome, Akwaba. How to prepare egg fried rice. It is very simple and easy. You need bay leaves, green onion, eggs, chicken, soya sauce, frozen peas, fish powder. Secondly, get your ingredient organized by washing it and cutting it into small pieces. We are going to blend the onion, rosemary, bay leaves, garlic, and the ginger together. We are going to use it to cook the chicken. After blending it, pour it onto the chicken. Add a little salt to taste. Cook the chicken very well because we are not going to fry it. So you gotta cook it very well. After it has been cooked well, remove it and let the water remain. The water is what we call the chicken stock. This is natural chicken stock if you want. It has no preservative, it has no color added. So after it, add water and add the rice to it and stir it and put it on fire while preparing the rest of the ingredient. It has been cooked for the first time. The water that I used to cook, I did not add any water. Only add a little water if necessary. Here, reduce the temperature and let it cook on a low medium heat. Let it get back to the eggs. I use 4 eggs. Add salt, fish powder, little green onion, and a chopped onion. This is how I made the eggs. The eggs has to be separated. So after frying the eggs, fry the onion in a small amount of oil in the cooking pot or the frying pan. Add garlic, chop garlic, and add your cooked chicken. Fried rice originated from Asia. It is very popular in Asia. Add your frozen peas. Add your green onion and the carrot. The carrot, cut it into small pieces. Fried rice is very popular and it is a street food in Asian country. Now it is everywhere in the world. Let the vegetables cook or steam for some time while preparing the rice. The rice, here there is tricks here. When the rice is more than the vegetables, it is going to overshadow the vegetables, or it will make the fried rice look something which is there. So the rice, though the rice has to be more than the vegetables, but it shouldn't be more. If it is more, you have to reduce the quantity of the rice and put the rest aside and use it later. So here you have to make the measurement well. After getting the quantity well, mix it and add soya sauce to it. The soya sauce already contains salt in it, so you got to be very careful. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons according to the quantity of your food. After adding it, stir it and let it cook or steam for some time, and your fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching Safubafo TV. After that, say your prayers and start eating it. Enjoy it. You can enjoy it with fried chicken or whatever of your choice. Or you can eat it with shito. Or work and no play, make it jog, don't worry. So I decided to have some fun. Thank you for watching me. God bless you.